Hello developers, designers and learners. I hope you're all having an amazing day and you're ready to watch another review. Today I took the opportunity to review something completely different than I usually do, and I mean it's completely different as it has nothing to do with development, with design, with Illustrator or Photoshop or Angular. It's something else. The name of this course, that it is provided by Coursera and McMaster University and University of California, San Diego, is Learning How to Learn, Powerful Mental Tools to Help You Master Tough Subjects. I took this opportunity because I think that all of us have some subjects that we are not so good at it, but we want to improve ourselves. If you are in this category that you don't really know how to learn something, maybe this course is for you. And I would suggest you, before even watching this review, to just take this course. It's not a lot of hours that you have to devote in it, and there are some great tips by the instructor. So if you have even some hours during your week, you should take it. But now let's go to the course info, and in the end, if you have any question, you can leave a comment and I'll do my best to answer it. As well as I'm going to leave in the description box the link for this course. And yes, I think we are ready to start with the course info. So it is taught by 3 excellent people, and these are Barbara, Terence and Linda. Again, I'm sorry if I pronounced any of these names wrong. I'm not very good with the pronunciation, but yeah, anyway. The commitment is about 3 hours of videos, 3 hours of exercises and 3 hours of bonus material, and there are a lot of languages that you can watch it. Of course there is English, but then there are Arabic, French, Ukraine, Vietnamese, Dutch, Persian, Polish and a lot more. Also, Coursera gives you the opportunity to volunteer and translate this course in your language or in whatever you may like. To pass this course, you just have to pass all the graded assessments, and how to tell you that the assessments are not even very difficult. So you will pass it pretty easily, and that's how Coursera usually works. So the rating is 4.8, which I think is an amazing rating. Not a lot of courses have this kind of a rating. Now let's go through the syllabus. There are 4 weeks. And in these 4 weeks, you'll get some videos, some reading, some papers, and then usually there will be a quiz. The quiz is going to be a practice one, which means that you usually just have to click an answer or even sometimes write something. Now the first week has the name of what is learning, the second one is chunking, and the third one, which I think is my favorite one, is about procrastination and memory. The last week is about Renaissance learning and unlocking your potential, another great week, which will also be your final one. So let's continue with the resources. So in the resources there are a lot of things. First, you will learn about the mentors, and I don't know, some people like to read these kind of things, some others find them boring. I usually want to know who are my instructor, and if I can find some information about my classmates, I also want to know about them too. So anyway, in the resources you'll find a lot of things that I'm sure that they will help you. Then we will continue to the grades, but okay, that's not very important. I just wanted to show you how this page is going to look like. So this is what I think is most interesting. It's the course home, and you can find your 4 weeks. Now I'm logged in, and that's why you see this page like this, but then I'm going to log out and I'm going to show you how this page will look for you. In the first week, I'm going to click on it. Okay, you have your videos, you have your readings, and then there are some required stuff here. The first thing that I'm going to do is to click on the videos. Here is the video. You can see the transcript here. You have your lecture, the subtitles, the transcript, and an interview transcript PDF. As in this video, these 2 lovely ladies talk to each other. So you will also have the interview PDF. I like that Coursera provides you this kind of transcript so you can read everything by yourself. In the end, you have your reflecting essay about a learning challenge. This is not something very difficult, so you shouldn't be scared. You can go to next or the previous one, but pretty much all the structure of this course will be the same. This is the page that you will view if you are logged out. So again, you will see the learning how to learn, powerful mental tools to help you master tough subjects. You will be able to see all the information you will probably need. But one thing that I will stress out is that you have to enroll until the 13th of August. So if you're watching this video today, it means you only have 2 days to enroll. Alright. Again, you can see the commitment, languages, how to pass, use ratings, and the syllabus. But another interesting thing in FAQs is the financial aid available. So yes, you are free to watch the videos and to do the quizzes, and that's what I did. But if you want to take a certification, then you will have to pay. So the question is financial aid available? And the answer is yes. Coursera provides financial aid to learners who would like to complete a course but cannot afford the course for free. So I haven't really done this part in Coursera or in any other educational platform, so I don't know if it's something easy or difficult to take the financial aid, but if you have problem, then I think that you should also do this. In my opinion and overall, this is a great course. I would suggest you to take it if you have any problem on learning or remembering things. I found some tricks that helped my memory, and yeah, I guess that now I can see some things that before I couldn't. So as I said in the beginning of this video, I will leave in the description box the link so you can participate in, but remember you just have 2 days to do that. And if you like this video, please share and subscribe. Have an amazing day. See you in the next one.